So it is almost 11 a.m. on a Sunday. And I'm going to make neck bones. These are pork neck bones. I'm making pork neck bones for my family. We're going to marinate them for about 2 hours in the refrigerator. And then I'm going to boil them. And then after they're done boiling, just, a little bit tender, we're going to take them out and we're going to barbecue them in the oven. I'll show you all that. But right now I'm rinsing them and cleaning them, and I'm going to season them. I'll show you the marinade once I get them in the bag and have them marinated. Okay, so I have seasoned my neck bones with a little seasoning salt, some black pepper, and some parsley. We're going to let them marinate for about 2 hours. I think I said that before. But I'm going to put a little Wichita sauce on there and let them marinate in the bag for about 2 hours. And then after that, I'm going to boil them. And then when they reach the cooking time, we're going to take them out and we're going to put them in the oven and put some barbecue sauce on them. So this is my first time doing neck bones with marinating with Wichita sauce. So I love Wichita sauce. I even cook my meatloaves with Wichita sauce. And it turns out excellent, really good. All right, so now we have our neck bones in our marinating bag. As you can see, let me open it up for you, let you see the inside of it. Looks really delicious. See the inside, we have them marinating. So we're gonna let those marinate for about 2 hours. I use Wichita sauce. I think I'm saying it right. I use this sauce. I didn't use a lot of seasoning salt because, as you know, Wichita sauce has a lot of salt in it. So it flavors your stuff too. So we're gonna let it marinate for 2 hours. Okay, while our neck bones are marinating for 2 hours, I got up early this morning and put our pinto beans on. So what I have in my pinto beans is I have some cut up bacon, and I have some red bell peppers, green bell peppers, and I have onions, and I also put a little parsley in here, and some seasoning salt and black pepper. And I do, my family, they love garlic. We all love garlic except for my mom, but she never knows when we putting it in there. But I'm going to season this with some garlic powder as well. And as you can see, they're cooking. They're starting to cook. I'm thinking it's probably going to take another 2 hours for these as well. But this is our pinto beans, and they looking good. They ain't even done yet, but they looking good. So, okay, our neck bones have finished boiling. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to finish cooking them in the oven for probably about another half an hour with the barbecue sauce on them. So I will come back and show you the turnout. I'm going to season them again also a little bit more. And then put the barbecue sauce on them. So after that, I'll come back and show you the finished product. Okay, so they're done. This one right here is my homemade sauce. Maybe another time I'll share how I made this homemade sauce, but I also use this kind of sauce for my fried chicken. So this is our first time doing it on the neck bones. Hopefully it's good. It is a spicy sauce. The kids love spicy, so I'm happy. And there we go. So as you can see that sauce looks really great. I put onions in there. So, and I did season it again, like I said. Okay, and now our other neck bones are ready. We made with Sweet Baby Ray's. I love Sweet Baby Ray's. My family loves Sweet Baby Ray's. So this is the finished product. And I will give my final presentation on the plate. Finished product. Yes. So the kids are getting ready to sit down and eat. We're about to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Until next Sunday. Cooking with the Sisters by Shameaka and Shonda Patterson.